Good afternoon, everyone. It's Mark Mulliker reporting from 4001 North Ocean on Wednesday afternoon, January the 29th. Actually, I should say I'm reporting on the villas at 4001 North Ocean. As most of you may know, the developer residences for the condominium are completely sold out. I'm standing on the penthouse terrace so we can get this nice vantage point of the villas, which you can see are far into the process of construction. You can see the north building that houses two villas, D and E, I'm focusing on right now, and then I'll pan over to the left to show you the south building, which will have three residences, A, B, and C. We have reservations on 4 of the villas. Then we have 2 backup agreements that will want any of A, C, D, and E that are available. B is still available. Our completion date is still scheduled for this June. It's a little too early to go inside. The studs are not up yet. The demising walls in our south building, the Bermuda, and then the Georgian is, it has some studs in, but it's really kind of hard to make much light of what we're doing until the drywall comes in. But you can see that this building, the Georgian, is has windows installed, coming along very nicely. We're in the process of getting in touch with our reservation holders to tell them that we're ready to move forward with giving them an idea of the interior finish. I'll be making at least a video now once a week since we're so well underway and getting close to the time to offering purchase agreements. Please contact me for pricing information, and I'll talk to you again soon.